Hello everyone, today I'm gonna reveal you a few secrets of optical illusions. Of optical illusions because I'm really fascinated by them. On that picture, you probably see a spiral turning and turning again. Am I right? Now, I painted the yellow parts in black. In fact, as you can see, in reality, there are only circles. There is no spiral. On this picture, everybody agrees that the yellow cube looks bigger than the red cube, which looks bigger than the gray cube, right? But in fact, in reality, all the cubes are the same size. The yellow drawing looks bigger than the blue one. Be careful! Do you still think the yellow is the biggest? No, it's the blue one. And now, the yellow one looks bigger again. It's crazy. Look at that. In fact, the two shapes are exactly the same size. Impressive, isn't it? When I was in Venice, I visited the Doge's Palace and I saw a flat floor with a very special pattern. The optical illusion made it look like it was a staircase. By looking at the three parallelograms, you can see either a cube, either a hole. On each picture, you see line A and line B. Which one is the longest? A, B, B, A? You're not sure? Well, in fact, the two are the same size. Need a proof? No problem. Who would bet that these lines are parallel? You should, because they are. A lot of painters used optical illusions in their artwork. A very common optical illusion is the way of creating motion by taking a lot of pictures with tiny differences and showing them quickly. It is currently used in cinemas to make movies. I took a lot of pictures of my Lego car, and for each picture I moved the car forward of 1 centimeter. When you look at these pictures very quickly, you think that the car is moving. How do optical illusions work? How is it possible that our eyes see something that doesn't exist? Is our brain responsible? Let's take a closer look. There is nothing magic in optical illusions. These images only trick our brain or play with the properties of our retina. Our eyes and our brain spend their time to analyze the world which surrounds us, and sometimes they are tricked. When our visual system makes a mistake in the analysis of the information which reaches him, or tries to give a meaning to something that is known, we talk about optical illusion. This illusion is also known as the false spiral, or, by its original name, the twisted cord illusion. The visual distortion is produced by combining a regular line pattern, the circles, with misaligned parts, the differently colored strands. The cubes are the same size. It is the perspective notion that modifies our perception of lengths. In perspective, the more a shape is further, the more it will seem bigger. That is why the most distant cube seems to be the biggest. When our brain sees the two drawings, it compares the sides at the middle of the picture. So, our brain thinks that the one which has its largest side at the center is the one which is the biggest. In reality, lines A and B are the same size and the lines are parallel. Why don't we see that? It is because what our brain sees is affected by everything that is around the lines. The human visual system can process 10 to 12 images per second and perceive them individually, while higher rates will be perceived as motion. People used to make movies with 24 images per second. Now I'm gonna show you how to draw an optical illusion step by step. First step, on the white paper draw 2 circles. Second step, mark a regular ruler to draw horizontal and vertical lines. Be careful, you must not draw the lines inside the circle. Third step, draw curved lines in the circle, imagining there is a powerful force in its center that pushes the lines towards its exterior. Fourth step, color one square on 2 like a chessboard. When you look at the drawing, 2 fruity balls seem to go out of the paper, but this is an optical illusion. If you're interested in that topic, be aware that you can find a lot of optical illusions everywhere. Some of them are very famous.